Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the system language on your RUGONE Xever 7 Pro. If you'd like to do it, go to Settings, then go to System at the very bottom. Go to Languages and now select System Languages, then add a language, set it to whatever you want, let's say Spanish. And now if you'd like to set it as your first language, because now it's a list, and if the first on the list language is not supported in some apps, then it'll try using the second, the third, and so on language on the list. Of course, English is most likely supported in let's say 99% of apps, so yeah, but Spanish, for example, may not be supported in some apps. Although it's still very likely that it will. So if I set Spanish, because when I hold on those two, if I set it to the very top, my system language will be changed to Spanish, but but if an app doesn't support Spanish, it will use English. And that's how you basically change the system language. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.